Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create saved audiences in Meta Ads Manager so you can quickly target the right people every time you launch a campaign. Let's begin. Saved audiences are perfect when you regularly promote to a similar type of audience. Instead of setting up your audience from scratch every time, you can save it once and reuse it anytime. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine you're running ads for a trade college that offers electrical certificate courses in Sydney, Australia. Here's how you can create your saved audience. Go to Meta Ads Manager, click on Audiences, then choose Create Audience. Click on Saved Audience. Give your audience a name, for example, Sydney-Electrical Certificate Students. Under Location, select Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Set the age between 18 to 35 years old. This typically includes young adults looking for trade qualifications. Choose Gender, Men. Under Detailed Targeting, add interests such as electrical engineering, apprenticeship, construction, job seekers, apprentice electrician, building contractor, electrical contractor, electrician assistant, electrician helper, vocational education, construction, electrical contractor for more accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Create Audience. And that's it. Now your saved audience is ready to use for future campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta Ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.